They're so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. So precious. Oh my god. Hi, cutie pie. Hi. You're precious. Goodness. I am sorry. I sneeze and the kittens go away. That's funny because my door is closed. Who knows where it went? Hmm. Oh, well. Oh, it's windy outside. It's crazy. It wasn't like this morning. It was perfect. I was out getting the sundown, and now it's all windy and nasty. But we did have chemtrails. Oh, look how cute. Oh, there's another one. There's 2 gray and white ones. And they like to go into my greenhouse. They're so funny. Oh, I hear them crying. Oh, there they are. They're so cute. Oh, there they are. Little cutie pie. Oh my gosh. They're precious. Hi, cutie pies. Oh, they're going to my greenhouse. Oh, oh. Where are they going? They're probably under my lounge chair. Oh, there they are. Little cutie pies. Oh my gosh. They're going bye-bye. Alright. Bye, friends. Hope you have a good evening. Remember, today is your day for salvation in Jesus Christ, because we're not promised tomorrow. And Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Bye-bye for now.